Precision starts at the source. And pasteurization. Cleanliness is never optional. Before refinement, stabilization comes first. Precision defines the final measure. Seals protect everything inside.
Identity is applied consistently.
Every process begins long before the factory lights turn on.
Precision starts at the source. And pasteurization. Fresh milk is captured under controlled conditions. Temperature and timing are carefully controlled. Quality is verified before anything moves forward.
Once approved, the journey begins.
From the farm, it moves toward transformation. Transport begins without breaking the cold chain. Every connection is sealed, measured, and controlled. Nothing is left to chance during transfer. Once sealed, the product is protected. The factory now takes responsibility. Distance is minimized to preserve freshness. This is where processing begins. Every entry point is designed for control. Flow begins only when conditions are verified. Raw milk enters the production environment.
Unwanted particles are removed immediately.
The factory guides every drop. Cleanliness is never optional. Preparation is about to begin. Before refinement, stabilization comes first. Density and motion separate what doesn't belong. Only the clean stream moves ahead. Purity is built layer by layer.
Consistency is the foundation of control.
Uniform flow prepares it for change.
Now, transformation begins at the molecular level. Heat is applied with precision, not excess. Safety is engineered into every second.
Stability is locked in through rapid cooling. Uniformity is created through force.
Processed milk is now ready for concentration.
Volume will shrink.
substance will remain.
Water is removed, not rushed. Concentration is a matter of balance.
This is where milk becomes condensed.
Stability is preserved under vacuum.
Sweetness is added with precision. The final profile is carefully locked. Now, machines take over consistency. Automation maintains what humans define.
Thickness is measured in real time. Nothing advances until it's ready. Cleanliness runs alongside production. Balance protects structure. Production prepares for precision. Exactness is now essential. Precision defines the final measure.
Uniformity is verified instantly.
Seals protect everything inside.
Stability is reinforced before release.
Cooling prepares the surface.
Identity is applied consistently.
Traceability completes the finish.
Every unit is visually confirmed.
Sampling ensures consistency beyond automation.
Testing happens without leaving the ecosystem.
Texture confirms the process. Safety is validated scientifically.
Only approved product moves forward.
Individual units become collective output.
Scale is achieved through repetition.
Stability prepares it for movement.
Finished goods wait under controlled conditions.
Distribution completes the cycle.
From raw milk to finished product.
And this is how modern factories produce condensed milk from start to finish.
Subscribe for more real factory breakdowns. Inside Everything.